Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see the associative property of rational numbers with few examples. That is, we are going to verify and identify the associative property for few rational numbers. So, the first question is verify that minus 1 by 2 plus, in parenthesis we are writing minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5 in parenthesis plus 3 by 2 are equal and state the property. So, if you look into the question, that is minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2, it's of the form A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. So now we'll verify that both A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C are equal. So now first we'll take the first part, that's minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So as you know, we have to first start with the contents in the parenthesis first. So we'll take the contents in the parenthesis, that is minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So here the denominators are 5 and 2, so they are different. So we want to add this, we want to make the denominator common. So for that we are taking the LCM for 5 and 2. So the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So what we are doing, so to make the common denominator as 10, first we are taking minus 4 by 5. So we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. And for the next part, that is for 3 by 2, to make the denominator 10, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 5. So we are writing minus 1 by 2 as such, and for this minus 4 by 5, we are multiplying by 2. So minus 4 times 2 in the numerator divided by 5 times 2 in the denominator. Plus, so 3 by 2, we are multiplying with 5. So 3 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. So minus 2 by 2, we are writing it as such, plus, so minus 4 times 2 is 8, minus 8, divided by 5 times 2 is 10, plus 5 times 3 is 15, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So now the denominator 10 is common, we are taking the denominator 10 out, and we are adding the numerator, that is minus 8 plus 15. So minus 8 plus 15 is 7 divided by 10. So again now you look at, this is minus 1 by 2. Plus 7 by 10. So we have different denominator, so we cannot add this. So we have to make the denominator common. So if you multiply by 5 in this numerator and denominator of the first part, that is minus 1 by 2, we'll get the denominator 10. So that we can add both the terms. So what we are doing, so we are multiplying minus 1 times 5 divided by 2 times 5 plus 7 by 10. So minus 1 times 5 is minus 5. And 2 times 5 is 10 plus 7 by 10. So now the denominator 10 is common. We are adding the numerator. So minus 5 plus 7 divided by 10. So minus 5 plus 7 is 2. So 2 divided by 10. So for minus half plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2, we are getting, if you simplify, you will get the result as 2 by 10. Now we'll take the second part, that is minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So now the parenthesis is for minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5. So here if you see, we have the different denominators. So to make this denominators common, we are taking LCM for 2 and 5. So we already know that LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So we want to make both the denominators as 10. So the first part, minus 1 by 2, we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 5. So minus 1 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. So for the second part, that is minus 4 by 5. So to make the denominator as 10, we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. So minus 4 times 2 divided by 5 times 2. So we are writing the last part 3 by 2 as such. So now minus 1 times 5 is minus 5 divided by 5 times 2 is 10 plus minus 4 times 2 is 8, then 5 times 2 is 10. So this 3 by 2 we are writing it as such. So now the denominator is 10 is common. So we are adding the numerator. So minus 5, this positive times negative is negative. So 5 minus 8 divided by 10 plus 3 by 2. So minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13 divided by 10 plus 3 by 2. So now if you look at this, we cannot add it directly because we have different denominators. So to make the denominator common, what we have to do? We have to multiply this term 3 by 2 with 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So you will get 10 in the denominator. So we have same denominator so that we can add. So we are writing the minus 13 by 10 as such. Then we are multiplying with the second part. So plus 3 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 times 5 is 10. So now if you look at here, we have the common denominator. So we are writing the common denominator 10 and we are adding the numerator. It's minus 13 plus 5. It's nothing but 2 by 10. So the second part also we are getting 2 by 10. So since the equation 1 and 2 are equal, that is both the given problem is equal. That is minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So that is we can say that a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. So from this result it's clear that this is associative property of addition of rational numbers. So the second question is minus 5 by 2 times minus 7 by 4 times 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 2 times minus 7 by 4 times 1 by 3 are equal and state the property. So now if you look at the given question, we can easily judge that a times b times c and a times b times c. It's like of this form, right? So first we will take the first part. Minus 5 by 2 times minus 7 by 4 times 1 by 3. So as usual, first we want to do with the parenthesis first. So we are multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. So it's minus 5 times minus 7 divided by 2 times 4 times 1 by 3. So minus 5 times minus 7 is 35. 4 times 2 is 8 times 1 by 3. So again we are multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. So 35 times 1 divided by 8 times 3. That's nothing but 35 divided by 24. So the first part we are getting the answer as 35 by 24. We are taking that as equation 1. Now we will solve the second part, that is minus 5 by 2 times minus 7 by 4 times 1 by 3. So now the parenthesis is for minus 7 by 4 times 1 by 3. So now we are doing that first, that is minus 7 times 1 divided by 4 times 3. So minus 7 times 1 is minus 7, then 4 times 3 is 12. So now this we are multiplying with the first part, that is minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 times minus 7 divided by 2 times 12. So that's 35 divided by 24. So this we are taking it as equation 2. So now the equation 1 and 2 are equal. So we can say that a times b times c equals a times b times c. So from the results it's clear that associative property of multiplication of rational numbers is what given in our question. So from these two examples we can conclude that associative property of addition and multiplication is satisfied for rational numbers.